Trudeau under fire over 50 Liberal MPs call for his resignation amid political crisis. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau is facing the most significant political challenges for his career as over 50 Liberal members of Parliament MPs have reportedly called for his resignation. Discontent within the Liberal Party has reached a boiling point amid rising living costs and escalating housing crisis and plunging public support for Trudeau's government. The resignations of Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland earlier this month has further destabilized Trudeau's leadership, paving the way for intensified demand for a leadership change. Opposition leader Jagmeet Singh has seized the moment, vowing to topple Trudeau's minority government and trigger up federal elections. The rebellion with the Liberal rank and unprecedented with Keys MPs from Ontario and other strongholds reportedly leading the charge against Trudeau's. These MPs argue that Trudeau's leadership has become a liability, pointing to plummeting approval rating and a series of policy missteps that have alienated both party members and the public. One senior Liberal MP speaking anonymously stated the party cannot move forward with Trudeau at the helm. We are heading for disaster in the next elections unless we act now. Now, Canada's housing and cost of living crisis. Central of the discontent is the government's inability to address Canada's worsening housing crisis and the skyrocketing cost of living. Housing affordability has reached historic lows with rental and property prices soaring in major cities. At the same time, inflation continues to squeeze households, leading to widespread frustrations among Canadians. Trudeau's policies, including increased immigration target and delayed housing development initiative, has been criticized for exacerbating these issues. Recent polls shows that a majority of Canadians blame the federal government for their economic struggle, further eroding confidence in Trudeau's leadership. Chrystia Freeland's resignations adds fuel to the fire. The resignations of Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland has deepened the sense of crisis within the Liberal Party. Freeland, once considered Trudeau's closest ally and a potential successor, stepped down, citing inconsiderable differences over the government's directions. His departure has both internal critics and opposition leaders. Freeland is now seen as a potential contender to replace Trudeau, though she has yet to confirm his attention's publicity. The opposition, led by Jagmeet Singh of the New Democratic Party and Pierre Poilievre of the Conservative Party, has capitalized on the chaotics within the Liberal Party. Singh, who holds the balance of power in Trudeau's minorities government, has signaled his intent to bring down the government by withdrawing NDP's support. The Trudeau government has failed Canadians. Singh's declared in a recent statement, "We will not stand by as the crisis deepens." Meanwhile, the Conservative, riding high in the polls, are preparing for a potential snap elections. A recent survey suggests the Liberals could face a crushing defeat, with the Conservatives poised to form a majority government if an elections were held today. Now, Trudeau's defense amid call for change. Despite the mounting pressures, Trudeau remains defiant. In a press conference earlier this week, he dismissed speculations about his resignations and insisted he would lead the Liberals into the next elections. "I was elected to serve Canadians and I will not walk away from the responsibility," Trudeau stated. "We are taking a bold statement to address the challenges facing this country, and I am confident in our visions for Canada's future." As Trudeau's political future hangs in the balance, attention has turned to potential successor with the Liberal Party. Chrystia Freeland and former Finance Minister Mark Carney and Ontario MP Anita Anand are among the names being floated as possible leadership contenders. Freeland's resignation has only heightened speculations, with some Liberal insider suggestions she is positioning herself for a leadership bid. Mark Carney, a respected economist and former governor of the Bank of Canada, is also seen as a strong candidate to restore public trust in the party. Now, what lies ahead for Canada? With the Liberal Party in disarray and public dissatisfaction growing, Canada faces a period of political uncertainty. If Trudeau refuses to step down, the likelihood of a confidence vote for a snap elections loom large. For the Liberals, the challenge lies in whatever they can regroup and present a united front before Canadians head to the poll. As the country grapples with economic and social challenges, the outcome of this political crisis will shape Canada's future and determine whether Justin Trudeau's legacy will be one of resilience or downfall. So this is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news, DCTV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.